What if your iPhone could do something truly helpful, but Apple never mentioned it on stage? What if there was a quiet upgrade that could make life easier, safer, or even more affordable? And what if this was their biggest change in years, but they chose to leave it out of the spotlight? Well, in this episode of Review Daddy, we're diving deep into the iPhone 17, the features Apple announced, the ones they skipped, and most importantly, the hidden feature Apple refused to talk about. To our returning subscribers, special thanks for always supporting this channel. You are the MVP of this channel. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We don't just review, we reveal the secret behind every trend here on Review Daddy channel. Let's start with what Apple did show us. The iPhone 17 comes in 3 versions: iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max. They look almost like the iPhone 16 on the outside, but on the inside, some real changes. Here's a breakdown in simple terms. Brighter and tougher screen. The new display is 20% brighter outdoors. It's easier to read under sunlight and tougher if dropped. Apple now uses something called Ceramic Shield 2.0. Think of it like superglass. Battery life upgrade. Apple claims up to 28 hours on the Pro Max. That's a 3-hour improvement from the previous version. Great for travel or long work days. Better camera zoom. The iPhone 17 Pro Max has a new 6x telephoto lens. You can now zoom in clearly on distant objects. Perfect for concerts or taking photos from far. AI-powered Siri. Siri can now understand full sentences better and can even help you write messages or summarize emails. New A18 chip. This is the brain of the phone. It's 30% faster and handles photos, apps, and games with ease. Privacy tools. Apple added something called on-device intelligence. That means your phone can now process things like dictation and translations without sending them to the cloud, giving you more privacy. So far, so good, right? But now, here's the twist. There's something Apple refused to put on their stage or commercials. It's called Smart Satellite Assist. Here's what it does. Let's say you're in a rural area, no Wi-Fi, no mobile service. Your car breaks down, or worse, you fall and need help. Smart Satellite Assist can connect you directly to emergency services using satellites without any SIM card or network coverage. Yes, satellites, the same kind used for GPS and military comms. In 2024, Apple said this was just for emergency SOS. But in iPhone 17, this feature has quietly expanded to allow basic location sharing, text messages, and directions via satellite. Why didn't Apple mention this on stage? Because they may eventually charge a monthly fee for it. They're still calling it free for a limited time, and that free window is almost up. According to insiders, Apple is planning a $4.99 per month add-on by 2026 for full satellite coverage. So right now, it's a hidden gem, free and powerful. Imagine you go hiking, or you're in the village with no coverage and still able to message your children, share your location, or call for help. That's huge, especially for older users. It's like owning a tiny satellite phone hidden inside your iPhone. Before we get to more features, let me ask you a quick question. Do you use public Wi-Fi at airports, cafes, or hotels? Because if yes, your personal data is at risk. But not to worry, we've got a simple solution. NORDVPN is your trusted partner in online safety. It's like a secure tunnel that protects everything you do online, even on public Wi-Fi. We use it daily to access geo-blocked content, stop hackers, and even stream safely when abroad. Likewise, millions across the world trust NORDVPN for their online security. Click the link in our description box to get 68% off and an extra 4 months free. Stay safe while staying smart. Let's get back to Apple. Apple didn't stop with just one hidden upgrade. Let's talk about a few more features that didn't make it. And why? No under-screen fingerprint sensor. Many expected Apple to bring back Touch ID under the screen, especially useful for older users who don't like Face ID. Sadly, not yet. They're still pushing Face ID only, still Lightning for some models. Even though Europe forced Apple to move to USB-C, The base iPhone 17 still comes with a Lightning port in some countries. Frustrating. No major change in design. If you were hoping for a new look or foldable iPhone, nope. The iPhone 17 looks almost exactly like the iPhone 16. Same camera bump, same notch, though a little smaller. No expandable storage. Apple still wants you to pay for iCloud instead of using SD cards. 128 gigabytes is the minimum. And if you want 1 terabyte, be ready to spend more dime in acquiring more iCloud space. All right, let's talk money and value. The iPhone 17 starts at $899, while the more advanced iPhone 17 Pro Max begins at $1,199. That's a good chunk of change. So the big question is, should you upgrade? If you're using an iPhone 14 or older, the answer is likely yes. You'll notice a clear improvement in your phone's camera quality, battery life, and even safety features. One of the standout additions is emergency satellite messaging, which lets you contact help even when there's no mobile signal. A real lifesaver in remote areas. But here's the flip side. If you already own an iPhone 15 or 16, the jump to iPhone 17 isn't that dramatic. Yes, it's better, but maybe not enough to justify the cost just yet, especially when the iPhone 18 is rumored to come with built-in artificial intelligence features like voice-activated typing, real-time translation, and smarter Siri commands. So, there you have it. The iPhone 17 is no small update. It brings some real useful upgrades, especially for people who want a phone that works harder for them. First, the battery. It now lasts even longer. Apple says you'll get up to 24 hours of video playback on a single charge. For everyday users, especially older folks who hate charging their phones every night, this is a huge win. The new glass, called Ceramic Shield 2.0, is also tougher than before. Apple claims it's the strongest glass ever used on a smartphone. That means if you accidentally drop it, there's a better chance it survives without a crack. Then there's the camera, with 6x zoom now. That means you can take clearer, closer shots of your grandkids playing, your church choir on stage, or that bird outside your window, all without moving an inch. But the real surprise? That hidden feature most people didn't even know about. Emergency satellite calling. Apple barely mentioned it at launch, but quietly they've made it possible for iPhone 17 users to call emergency services, even if there's no mobile network and no Wi-Fi. Imagine you're traveling, hiking, or just outside the city, and something goes wrong. With this feature, your phone can connect to a satellite, send your location, and help you reach help when you need it most. It's not flashy. It's not something you'll use every day. But one day, it might just save your life. That's the kind of hidden upgrade that truly matters. And finally, if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. Review Daddy is where we decode the mystery behind every trend, honest and helpful without fluffing or gatekeeping infos. And remember to keep your online security intact with NORDVPN, your best online VPN partner that keep you safe from all manner of scammers, Trojans, and hackers. Click the link in our description box now to stay protected online. 68% off plus 4 extra months free. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay connected, and watch the next video now.